You want me to read the disclaimer straight away?
Yeah, bro.
All right, cool. Now, usually we wait.
Yeah, we'll say the disclaimer straight away, just in case we say anything we shouldn't say.
Okay, cool. So,
Bars. Can you do bars?
Bars.
Can you?
Yes. Thank you. No, not my bars. Your bars.
But I don't have like a rap version of it.
No,
You can just wrap the disclaimer.
Oh, wrap the disclaimer. All right, cool. Let's.
What can you beatbox it then?
Nah, put a beat on.
No, but
Put a beat on, and we'll just off your phone, and we'll just.
All right.
Try and.
Right. What kind of beat is it? Gonna be a drill beat, a grind beat, hip hop?
A lo-fi hip hop one.
Lo-fi hip hop.
What you're choosing.
So let's find a lo-fi hip hop one.
All content is for education and information and entertainment purposes only, and should not be considered investment advice or a recommendation to buy, sell, hold any assets or place any trades.
Do your own research. All content is intended and should be only used for information purposes only. It's very important to do your own analysis before making any investment based on your own individual circumstances. You should always take independent professional advice from a professional advisor. Or independently research and verify all any information you may find in our show that you wish to
rely or depend on. Girl, don't try to flip that key if you haven't got it, because you need to understand how to mitigate the risk.
I'm not financial advisor.
Hey, big up you, man. That was heavy stuff.
We are not financial advisors. We do not intend to be perceived or received
as financial advisors.
However, we are working in collaboration with several accredited advisors. So yeah, I think that's enough. I think we're done. Yo, you show me anybody else in this finance game that's gonna do that for their people. You show me.
Yo, if we don't go viral off TikTok at that moment, I'm done. I'm done. Guys, did you enjoy that? I was not expecting it.
I was elite, lads, honestly.
Oh
Nice level. Go applaud that one still.
Thank you.
Energy.
If anything, please someone clip it up and send it to the Financial Conduct Authority.
I recorded some, actually. I can send it.
Okay. Are you gonna start off with the news?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Just before we get started, so it's currently 5 minutes past 8 p.m., 7th of February 2022. I'm gonna say that for the podcast now because we are on Spotify and we're on Apple Music. Catch us there. We need to get our stuff on Audius as well, on SoundCloud. But anyway, yeah, Seji. We need to holler Seji for that. Shout out
We've got
Seji.
some other stuff dropping on Audius real soon, though.
Okay, so basically, in the game, we will be covering, including but not limited to, because I mean it's pretty unlimited what we go on about. But yeah, including but not limited to main topics. I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my research into crypto gaming space. Guys, the crypto gaming NFT PDF is now out. Where's the link?
I was going to do this bit,
Oh, sorry.
but it's there.
It's here. Is it?
Cut and paste the link and put it in the chat.
Is it added to the link tree yet?
It is not added to the link tree yet because I didn't want anyone getting it super early. So we have a very special offer. You can click on some of the pages and show the peoples what they're getting. Now this is the premium alpha game. If you actually read this PDF, it's 34 pages. The alpha you will get in the play to earn space and the gaming space will put you ahead of so many people. It is crazy. So please read it. Now guess what we're doing? We're doing a crazy thing. I know this is crazy, right? So at the moment, my price recently went up from 75 per hour to £100 per hour.
100!
100 smackaroonies for 1 hour of my time in the crypto space. However, anyone that purchases this PDF gets 30 minutes as well as the PDF.
Wait,
for just £10.
Is that you or anyone?
Anyone on the team.
Anyone on the, and I'm gonna tell you guys about everyone on the team later on.
So I think you're getting a deal. I think, you know, it's all about the intrinsic value. So you might want to go and purchase that. So if ever you're thinking, oh, you know what, I want to book a quick, I want to learn about a little bit more about crypto gaming after this session, or you want to get started with maybe Axie or Engine or Sorare or anything like that, or maybe you just want us to just have a look at your portfolio and figure out some take profits and exits. Guess what you can do? Just buy this PDF for £10, and guess what? You will then get 30 minutes of time. If that's a good deal, type game in chat. I don't know where chat is on his thing. I think it's a good deal. I don't know anyone else offering a deal like that. We got one of our clients pulling up. She's a woman in crypto called Janea. I'm gonna make her sell. She's like pretty low key. I'm gonna make her come on the live. Okay, cool. So, right. So news. Can you still see my screen? Is it on Instagram? It is, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So the game and the news that's been happening recently, is well, first of all, credit where credit's due. EYL are coming to London. 19 keys. Guys, Wall Street Trapper. The godfathers of the game, the guys that are coming to London. Guys.
Can we all go together?
Yes. We need to show up as a gang. This needs to be the first Blockchain Sensei meetup and link up. It needs to be a thing.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. So please get your tickets.
It's power in numbers.
They're in the Blockchain Sensei bio. So please come along. It'd be amazing for us to roll through as a gang. Because the aim and the vision is to have a collaboration with Earn Your Leisure, the master investor that is Ian Dunn, who follows 19 us. Keys, and obviously the GOAT. We got voice notes. We're not going to show you, but from the master investor. So yeah, that's just he sees what we're doing. So that's just part of what we're saying. Also this week, shout out to Sports Key and to everyone in Birmingham that turned up for our special educational session about Web3 in Birmingham. That was amazing. Thank you to the team that turned up and did a bit of education. That's Mr. Spectacular and Storm. Obviously, Ninja was there. What else is happening this week? Okay, so also this week, can we please all go and watch Technically Speaking, which was none other than Mr. Spectacular's very own show, which is going to be coming to your screens randomly throughout the week. There is no day or time for it. It's just a complete TA show. So Mr. Spectacular is obviously our guy, our head of trading, who's creating all the signals for you. So please go and watch that show. He did an incredible breakdown of the accumulation zone of where the whales buy and get out of crypto. Then we have none other than Mr. Maestro with the Alpha Game on NFTs. Dropped his show on Friday. So now we've got 2 brand new shows for y'all. If one wasn't enough, we're now giving you even more game. So that's that. Now, in other news, Mr. Larry Fink, the head of BlackRock, released a letter about his thoughts on the current investment climate and the way that the world's going. If you don't know who Larry Fink is, he is the current CEO. Basically, he's the actual real world's richest person, like, because he's in control of the most money under management. Yes, Elon Musk is like 168 billion, but whatever it is, he doesn't have $1 trillion of assets under management. So who can influence the market more? Larry Fink, who has 8 trillion plus under management, or Elon Musk with a few billion? I think the answer is Larry, guys. I think Larry runs the game, guys. I think maybe anyone, yeah, it's Larry's game. It's not even our game. The game belongs to Larry. So that's pretty much it. If he wants to turn the game off, the game gets turned off. Anyway, on to other things. So I don't know if anybody remembers, we did a little episode called Facebook, Meta, Microsoft. Does anyone remember that? And we were kind of saying that Facebook was not actually that great of an asset and was probably going to drop, and that Microsoft was probably in the better position to take advantage of the metaverse. You know, if anyone remembers that. But we were right. Once again, it turns out that something Blockchain Sensei has said has coincidentally happened. Now, who would have guessed that when Mark Zuckerberg is selling, how many millions of shares is he selling all the time? Basically, he's selling his shares every day, basically. Multi-millions a day, and that their main source of income, which is Apple phones selling your data, has gone. What's going to happen? Oh yeah, it's going to dip. Don't worry, it will come back, but we kind of did say ahead of time. Other news, Disney is actually hiring an NFT expert. Say no more.
Disney, if you're watching this and somebody from this stream applies for the job and they get the job, we want a little something.
I just want a trip to Disneyland.
No. We want some Mickey Mouse NFT. Fuck that shit. Don't listen to that. We want the Mickey Mouse NFT. You know what I mean?
I'm happy with the trip to Disneyland. I don't want the Mickey Mouse NFT. I'm good. So that's fine. I mean it. He didn't. Okay, so the other thing that happened was 1 billion of ETH was burned in the last 30 days due to record high OpenSea NFT transactions because of the London hard fork upgrade. So London hard fork upgrade means any transactions that happen on Ethereum actually burn supply. So what does this mean for the value of Ethereum? Does anyone remember the maths for how you work out the value of a crypto? Anyone remember? Circulating supply versus market cap. Not versus, I shouldn't say that. What's the best way of saying it? The formula should be
the formula for the
market
price.
cap divided by circulating supply.
Yeah.
Right? So if now 1 billion of ETH is burned on Ethereum, what's going to happen to the value? Going to go up. Now, if that is something that can happen all the time, and that's just on OpenSea NFTs that have caused this, what happens when NFTs become mainstream to the value of ETH? So the calculations are that currently ETH is going at this current rate would have a 3% a year deflationary effect.
All right.
Crazy.
Which is pretty wild. So that's the news on that one. And then my final bit of news is something that I'm going to come back to later on. I will go to a Google search. Marky B.
Yeah.
Sorry, Mark.
Anyone who wants to unmute themselves to ask a question, feel free. Otherwise, please mute away.
So Google has done a stock split. So does anyone know what a stock split is? Oh, my boy. I wonder if this is Michael Lung from my school. I wonder if it is. I hope it is. If this is Michael Lung from my school, shout out a man like Michael Lung. Do you know, he was the only person he was like, me and him used to be really good friends in primary school because we were both called Mike. Imagine that. And then we lost contact for like 12 years, and then I randomly bumped into him, and then we became friends again. And then we lost contact again, and then moved into a new house, and he lived around the corner.
Can I, you know what's crazy? I've never met another fad man.
Have you not? Oh,
No.
So here's the dealio with what just happened with Google and the absolute mad game that's going on. So first of all, do we agree that Google has the smartest people in the world? Some of them. We would all agree, I think it's safe to say, that anybody smart or academically smart or really intelligent, they aspire to get a job at Google. So anything they put out is never a mistake and is highly, highly calculated. We would also agree that based on the episode we did before, that Google has the best AI on the planet possible, apart from maybe OpenAI and Tesla. So based on that, it's very unlikely that they've made a mistake about this decision. So stock split basically means if you have one share of this stock, the stock split, if it was 4-to-1, you would now have 4 shares instead of 1. So let's say, for example, it was £100 a share, and then they did a 4-to-1 stock split. That would now go to $25 a share, and you'd now have 4 stocks. So it's just a really good way for whales to multiply the amount of shares that they own in the company. Now, where it gets interesting is 20-to-1 is not very normal at all. 10-to-1 is a bit of a push, but 20-to-1, that is very sussy backer, like sussy Captain Sussy Backer with the Captain Sussy Backer on his chest. Now, what's even more interesting about that is when they're doing it. So we've been saying, look, there's going to be a market dip, a big one at some point, and it was looking like it was going to happen in March. But now, because things are kind of moving in a bit of a weird way, it's going to look like it's going to happen in the summer. What are the coinky dinkies that Apple's stock split would happen in the summer? Now, why would that benefit Google? I mean, sorry, I didn't say Apple. Google. Because if your price is going to drop by 50% or 60% in a mad crash, what's a better way to hide it? Dropping from 3,000 to 1,500, or dropping from 100 to 50, or dropping from 200 to 100? It doesn't seem like that big of a drop. Now, again, the reason why they don't need to do this is because people can invest in fractional shares now. So it doesn't matter about the price. It's irrelevant. Like this whole, oh, we're doing it to allow retail investors to be able to invest in it. That's stupid. That's a lie. So why are they doing it? The only thing I can think of is that somewhere along the lines, something has told them the market is going to dip and they need to hide that impact. So what's going to happen here? If you're a whale and you're doing options, remember, an options contract means you can buy something now, and in 2 years, 6 months, whatever, when the contract ends, the broker has to buy it back, like give it you at the price it was when you went to purchase it. So let's say, for example, you get this at $100, and in 2 years' time, it's now worth 300. You only pay 100 for it, but the shares you've got are worth 300. So imagine that on a 20-to-1 stock split, and each option contract is 100 shares. So someone do the maths. What is 100 times 20? Quick maths.
Someone say it, 100 times 20.
I'm not good at maths, so someone needs to say it.
One of y'all can unmute the max.
Or 2,000.
So you would end up with 2,000 shares of Google from just one contract. 2,000 shares. How many people are in a position to get 2,000 shares of Google right now? Not many people. Now, if you play this options game, and the whales are definitely going to take advantage of this, and the market dips, that's one hell of a life-changing options contract, because there's options contracts out there with 100. So 100 contracts of 100 shares.
Wow.
So I'm just letting you know, I personally am going to be taking out an options contract on Google just because of this. Just thought I'd keep that on.
Jeez, we got a Sky God in here.
So
Yeah.
that's my bit done. So I'm gonna hand over to man like.
Yo, what up, gang? All right. 2022, let's get rich. All right, for real. Okay, first of all, let's get a little hello in this session. So what I want to do is, I'm gonna do 3 things and then pass it back to Mr. Harding. So the first thing I want to do is I just want everyone here to say hello. And then I'm going to introduce you guys to the whole of Blockchain Sensei team because we're actually 18 deep right now. We've got Decom Master. He's going to be taking over the Discord and Telegram. Decom, let's start with Decom. Aye. My bro.
Yo, what's
Can
good,
you
man?
come on cam? Can you come on cam? Can you come on cam?
Nah, I ain't got a cam on here.
Say no more, say no more. So Decom's my homie from Money. Funnily enough, we've never met IRL. Shouts to Manverse. Yeah, but we actually live not far. Like we grew up near each other as well. Like North Manchester, right? You're from North.
Yeah, Whitefield way, innit?
Whitefield,
North
that's
Wheezy.
crazy. North Wheezy, get me? Yeah, I'm from.
Yeah, 4-5s, innit?
Yeah. Like, my size is like Cheetah no Blakely. So if you're not 160, you know that size.
Yeah, man.
Anyway, yeah. So Decom, first of all, is a producer. He's a crypto enthusiast, and he's going to be managing our future Discord and Telegram, which I'm going to say is definitely going to be active sometime this month. The reason why we haven't been active on Discord is, shit, we've been busy. We've been busy, right? Like it's hard enough just managing the WhatsApp group. I'm a little bit behind. He's a bit more interactive on there. I'm very active on the Instagram, but yeah, I need somebody to take over. So that's what Decom's going to be doing. Sky God, in fact, yeah, let's do a little introduction because I think it's cool that we just start this off with community vibes. So Sky, tell the community about yourself.
Yo, we saying Sky God, artist, rapper, Omari is my government. Friend of NinjaTea for like what, 3 years now.
Yeah, it's been good. It's been a good ride.
It's been good times. Crypto novice, aspiring TA. Yeah.
Guys, can I just say, 25th of December 2020, I was in the trenches with Sky God. Shout out Sky for getting me on ETH. He sold a bit early. You know what I mean? He took he panic sold, but he's back now.
Yeah.
And between me and him, he used to be way better than me at TA. So yeah, he's got a lot of talent for technical analysis. It took me a long time to be able to reach out. So shout out my boy Sky.
I should have told me that.
Huh? Why?
Should have told me that.
What?
Yo, Sky God.
What are you telling me, bro?
I'm gonna turn you into an assassin.
Bro, if you wanna be like a guys, can I just say, if anybody here wants to like play a role in Blockchain Sensei, because I'm here to just quickly connect everyone together, and then any of you guys should connect with each other. So feel free in the comments to within reason advertise yourself.
Wait. Let's give him a chance to do it. You got 30 seconds starting from now to drop in the chat links to your IG, your YouTube, your music, whatever it is that you do.
Go. This is the latest web show now.
Oh shit.
There you go, your time's up.
All right, cool.
I ain't even in the group. It's all whatever.
This is lit. All right. Cool. Whoever puts their social media stuff in the chat, we will include these links in the YouTube description, I promise you. So it's a good time to put your Instagram because it will be on this YouTube video. Okay, whatever social media anyone puts in the comments, I will make sure it's in the YouTube description forever. Yeah, that is a good promise. Okay, cool. So Summer, would you like to introduce everyone to yourself?
Hey guys, I am currently, I would say, out of a job. Not yet, technically. At the end of the month, I will be. But I'm
firing her job.
I'm firing my own job.
Another
yeah.
feeling. You got to fire him.
But I'm an aspiring esports lawyer, and hopefully you'll catch me working for Fnatic, Epic, or Riot Games in the near future. That's me.
Shout out for the legals.
Whoop, whoop.
Yeah, shout her for the legals. Okay, cool. BeWillTheGreat.eth. Now, this homie's been showing hella love on my personal Instagram, Blockchain Sensei social media, and Twitter. Who are you? Who the hell is Bill Will the Great?
It's our G from America.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yo, can you come say hello, bro?
What's up, y'all, man? I had to step away at work real quick to say hello, man. I appreciate everything y'all doing.
We appreciate you, homie.
Yes, sir.
Damn.
I'm
Yes,
showing
sir.
love all the way from Los Angeles, California.
Yo, Bill, let me just say it, right? Any friend of Mr. Harding is a friend of mine, so let's make sure me and you chop it up for at least 20-30 minutes at some point.
Absolutely, man. Absolutely. So
I appreciate
please
all the
show me
love
some
across platforms, bro. On
Absolutely,
Twitter,
man.
on Instagram. Yo, there's like there's like people that show love, and there's like the ultra love. The ultra love is people who like my post, his post, and Blockchain Sensei. Like you're that kind of guy. You're like the triple.
I'm showing love to the entire tree, man. The whole family tree get love from me.
We love it. We love it. Okay, hopefully you get hella value from this. Amazing. Thank you so much. Ben Keller. Who's Ben? Who's Ben?
You know who Ben is?
It's me, man. What were you yesterday for an hour? What do you mean?
Oh! Ben.
God,
On the weekend.
messaging me all day like I mean something to you. And you
No. You've been WhatsApping.
God, I feel used.
I think you need to stop
I
this.
feel used, man.
No. Ben's. I've been teaching Ben. We've been speaking on WhatsApp today. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, it's all right, mate. It's all right. I'm half asleep on my bed. I've had a long day, so I'm just chilling at the moment.
We appreciate you. Storm, can you come say hello? Head of Blockchain Sensei NFTs. Everyone that wants anything to do with NFTs, DM Blockchain Sensei and say, I want to speak to Storm. Storm will speak to you. Not me, not Mr. Harding, but Storm.
Storm is taking care
I
of.
was literally just typing in the chat. I'm going to get in the shower, but hello everyone. I'm Storm, head of NFTs for Blockchain Sensei. I'm also a digital artist in my spare time. I'll just turn my camera. Sorry, pardon my French. I also create my own NFTs. Hit me up for a lesson.
Yes,
Yeah, man.
yes, she manages the Blockchain Sensei account. Okay, Risha, can you come say hello? This is homegirl who I gave a little 101 to, and now she's run off with the knowledge and has been applying it on Twitter. Risha, can you come say hello for a second? We'll give her a minute. Okay, maybe now's not the time.
Wait, sorry.
Sorry.
Nah, do you know what it is? I'm listening, but I was washing up the dishes at the same time, so I'm like,
That's okay.
my hands are all wet.
We're okay looking at some dishes. Can you jump on the cam? Can you jump on the cam? Can you jump on? Can you jump
No.
on?
Hold on. Okay, wait, can you hear me?
I love the hair. The hair's amazing.
I changed it. It was red the last time we did our one-on-one.
Perfect. It's amazing. We need more people that look like you in crypto. Facts.
I love that.
Yeah. I need to see more people that look like you in crypto. I've never, bro. Have you ever seen anyone that looks like Risha in crypto? Nope.
Number one, there's not really any women in crypto.
Yeah. Period.
No, it's true. I really don't see many women.
At all. It's kind of a massive problem.
So you and Summer and AJ need to
make this
We'll
happen.
get together, yeah.
We actually got one of our female clients in the room right now, but she doesn't want to show her face. But yeah, she's out here taking notes in the back, so she doesn't want to come on cam.
Oh, why not?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
You shouldn't be shy.
Oh no, she's shy. Okay, all right. Okay, so then we've got AJ. Can you come say hello?
AJ is number one fan.
No.
Now you know what? I'm gonna send AJ the PDF for free.
Yeah, AJ gets the PDF for free. Yeah, there we go.
You know what? AJ gets all PDFs for free.
AJ gets all the PDFs for free. £40 worth of free value just for sending the game. I think right now she might be doing
we
whatever.
owe her that anyway.
Yeah, she's like the highest attendee, and she also sends me a lot of coins. And I also get this year, AJ has actually got me like a 7-8x on a coin one time. So yeah, shout out to AJ on that. Okay, Raster Ramos, who's this? Raster.
Hello.
Hello, hi. Have you been here before?
It's my second time.
Oh, welcome. Do you know any of us?
I just started following the page like 6-7 months ago, but I was studying abroad, so
I know who you are. You have a black and white profile picture on Instagram, right?
yeah.
I see you liking that shit. Where are you from? The UK? Where are you from?
Well, I'm back in the UK, but I was studying abroad, and then it's like time, and then like I have to focus on uni stuff. But now I'm back in the UK for a couple of months.
Wait, are you Indonesian?
No, I'm Filipino.
Oh, okay, lit. Can you come on cam?
My laptop's broken. Sorry.
Let's go. All right, 3 more people. Michael, guten Tag, wie geht's?
Yo, hi.
Yes. This is my homie. I was studying German in back in college like 10 years ago. Michael came over as like an exchange student, right?
Right. Yes, I did.
Yeah. How's everything? You okay? How's your brother?
Yeah, he's doing all right. He's already went to bed because we had quite a long day, and so I just want to hang and listen to some new information and knowledge.
We're gonna give you that information. You know what?
Nice.
Michael gets a free PDF as well. He spent a lot of money on the companies. He's bought replays, books before. Subscribe to the trading service.
Free PDF.
Free PDF.
You get a free PDF. You get a free PDF.
Right, okay. And don't worry, guys. Everyone actually gets a free PDF because there's a paid version and there's a free version that's straight back. But everyone actually gets a free PDF. Only certain people are going to be like, you get the premium PDF.
Oh,
Okay, right.
thanks a lot. I just wanted to say, because of your trading Sigma service, I wrote you on Instagram today. I think you don't have to worry if you don't get all trades in, because it's like a support for you, you know? You have to grow, and you give us much knowledge and game every week for free. So I watch nearly all replays on YouTube because I don't always make the live versions, but it's so sick. So I like it a lot. You deserve support as much as you want.
Yes, much love. All right, 3 more people and then we'll crack on with some knowledge. General Sneaks, what's up, bro? Can you come? Oh, he's outside. He's outside.
Sneaking.
Welcome.
Can't hear me. Can you hear me?
Yeah, can you hear me?
I can't. Hold on a second. There we go.
Yo,
what's there?
are we connected?
Yeah.
Bro,
I'm just on the bus. I'm going.
All right, Sneaks is an inspirational guy, so just drop them some wisdom, bro.
What can I say, man? I'm here to learn. I'm here to soak it up, man.
No. I just want you to drop a bit of wisdom. I'm gonna clip it up and post it on Blockchain Sensei. Go.
So what can I say? Listen twice and speak once.
No, but please, everyone, please check out General Sneaks' music. Please follow him on Instagram. Is it I am General Sneaks?
Yeah, General Sneaks 3-4.
General Sneaks 3-4. Make sure you run up his music. He's one of the best on God. Finally, we got JG and Neil. Can you guys come say hello?
Your freestyle was lit as well.
I'm all right.
Give yourself some props.
This is the guy. JG and Neil, what's up?
Yo, what's good, man? What's good?
How are you doing, Neil?
Yeah, not too bad, my friend. Not too bad. Sorry, man, I had to join a little late. I had to put my little one to bed.
Nah, it's calm. We're doing something that we need to do like more often, which is most sessions we just kind of ignore everybody that's actually turned up. Whereas we thought, nah, you know what? You've got to actually occasionally just pause to show love.
Yeah.
So that's what it is. We're just taking that time out to do that.
Just connect.
Don't worry, the game is still coming.
The game's coming.
To be fair, I've already given some game, but you know.
And now I'm about to give some more game, and then I'm going to tell you about the team. So yeah, let's get everyone done. Neil, do you want to say something about yourself, or you want to spit some game for a second? You got some wisdom?
I don't know, man. You guys always drop the knowledge, so I don't know what I can share. But yeah, I've been investing in crypto for a long time, since probably around 2017.
Oh God!
Yeah.
Whoa!
You frightened me.
Oh God! Oh
well,
God! Even though this
end
is
of
2017, he must be up. Oh God!
End of 2017, early kind of
17,
like,
he's still up. Oh God!
Yeah. I'm not doing too bad. You know, investing in a lot of projects.
When everyone is down, Neil is still up.
Yeah, you know, I've been.
There's no bear market for Neil.
I've gone through some dips, man. I've gone through some crazy dips, but it's all good, man. You just got to keep learning, and just listening to people like you guys, man. It just keeps me going, keeps me, you know.
Hey, we need to listen to people like you guys. You guys know how to hold.
Diamond hands, bro.
Yeah.
And last but not least, my G, JG.
JG, walk on.
Wait. First of all, before he even speaks, can we just shout out to JG for making us realize we need to pay more attention to some of the stuff we put out on the Signal service. So the algo was throwing up some absolute madness, and we weren't really checking and diving into them as assets. JG kind of made us realize, nah, like some of this stuff that you're putting out, like SLP, like VidT is pretty mad, you know, like you need to actually check it. So we started checking it and then we realized, yo, this algo is actually not making mistakes. Like it might look like it is, but it really isn't. Like the bottom algo we've got on the signal service, like if you hold for a long time, it is actually mad. But anyway, fire away, Jay.
And then we'll get on to the actual knowledge. But yeah, Jay, say what's up, bro.
You hear us? Muted.
He's muted.
Oh, my laptop's messed up. I don't know what's happening right now.
Oh, so you didn't hear what we just said? Oh, never mind. All right, let's just crack on. Okay, so bear in mind what the following information that I'm about to give is a complete advertisement for the PDF, because all this information can be found in the PDF, which yours should buy is only £10. Link in the Blockchain Sensei Instagram bio. It's not there yet, but it will be in like 1 hour after this recorded, and it will be there forever. So yeah.
Can they see the screen? The stock. What can they see?
Wait, they can't see my screen, can they? No, I'm not sharing my screen. Yeah, come on, I'm not leaking information like that.
The alpha.
No, the alpha. I'm gonna give away the alpha, and then you pay for the alpha. You know what I mean? To be fair, we probably give away the alpha, and the page is like alpha. You know what I mean? That's the kind of crazy levels we're working at. Okay, so anyway, I hope that like our future American audience are not offended by my very, very bad American. Yeah. All right. Okay, cool. So I am going to share with you guys some NFT research. I am literally reading from the paid PDF, okay? Because this took me a lot of my life. It was very tiring. I ain't gonna lie, okay? So I'm giving away a part of my life away for free. That's what I'm in my life, okay? So y'all should buy the PDF. Anyway, so crypto NFT gaming. Okay, so whether it's casual playing on the phone or hardcore PC gaming, half of the world's population, to some extent, is a gamer. The world population is 7.8 billion, and according to Statista, so if any of you guys want a good website to search for information, Statista, that's Statista, is a good website. In 2021, it was estimated that out of 7.8 billion, just under 3.4 billion gamers worldwide and growing. Okay. Skip a few paragraphs. Okay, so in 2021, mobile remained the biggest gaming segment worldwide with over 90 billion. So that's 90 and 9 zeros billion dollars in annual revenue. In 2021, consoles ranked second, around $50 billion in annual revenue, and PC gaming ranked the least at 38 billion. So let me repeat that again. In 2021, the mobile gaming industry revenued 90 billion. The console gaming revenued 50 billion. PC gaming only 38 billion. Now, the biggest in-game purchase in human history was actually in 2011, and it was a game called actually, what was the game? Is Planet? The asset was called Planet Calypso for $6 million, but the actual game was can't even remember the game. Someone go research that. But yeah, the most expensive asset in gaming history was called Planet Calypso. Yeah, at $6 million.
What year did it
in
start?
2011. Now 2011, 6 million. So in today's money, that's like 10, 12 million, right? So wild shit like that. But yeah, let's actually round up to today's money. So more like $10 million, right, of an in-game asset, the most expensive one in recorded history in 2011. But the most expensive piece of land on Decentraland Manor, which is one of the largest metaverse gaming cryptocurrencies, is only 2.6 million. Only 2.6 million. Tell me the metaverse ain't real. Okay. Anyway, so okay. So say again. PUBG. Okay. So in August 2021, monthly global player spending reached 270 million on PUBG. PUBG was the highest grossing game in 2020, generating $2.6 billion in revenue. One game, okay? But there's less than 2 billion invested in Engine Coin. I'm not shilling Engine Coin. I don't get paid to say Engine Coin, but I like saying it, man. I like saying ENJ, you know what I mean? We like saying that. So anyway, so Grand Theft Auto, okay, cool. So first of all, let me give you guys some research. Is anyone here familiar with, in fact, let me ask the audience, let me ask anybody here to answer, does anybody know what a sandbox type game is? Given that the sandbox is one of the biggest crypto metaverses, do you know what a sandbox type game is? Someone tell me.
Well, Michael.
Well, someone knows this? I didn't know, I did research.
I didn't know.
I
didn't know.
I'm not a gamer.
Until Ninja told me, I didn't know. I knew what a sandbox was.
So a sandbox time game is a kind of game where the user doesn't have to do anything specific. So the best example is GTA. So GTA is the most expensive sandbox type game. First released in 1997. GTA 5 sold 155 million copies as of 2021. 5 million copies alone was sold in the third quarter of 2021. So that's like September, October, no, not September. Third quarter is going to be like July, August, September. July, August, September 2021 alone, 5 million copies of GTA 5 was sold.
Which is crazy because the game's like 4 years old or 5 years old, however old it is.
Well, the first release was in 1997, right? So GTA made more than $6 billion in revenue. One game has generated $6 billion in revenue.
So mad.
The biggest metaverse crypto which always floats between Mana and Sandbox has currently what, 3 to 4 billion?
Mm-hmm.
Obviously, it's not financial advice to invest in gaming cryptos, but I'm just showing you. Let me give you the actual alpha takeaway. Yeah, I'm giving you hella stats on that, but I don't want to drown you, right? The number one perspective I'm giving you is I'm giving you the knowledge to give you the perspective that gaming is this big and crypto gaming is this big. So if you put your money in crypto gaming, maybe there's a chance that it grows. But it's not financial advice, you know what I mean? Okay, so gaming awards. Okay, so gaming award prize money. Now, I don't know what the game Dota 2 is. Dota 2.
Elon Musk's favorite game.
All right, cool. I'm not a gamer. I had to do research, right? But Dota 2 so far is the number one game in terms of cash money prize awarded, and they've awarded nearly 0.3 billion in prize money.
So that's $277 million has been given out. That is more than most sports on the planet, including the European football.
And then if you add up Dota 2 Global Offensive of Fortnite, they gave out, so not received but gave out. To be able to give out, you need to have a lot in. Yeah, $500 million. Those 3 games have paid out. They've paid out $500 million amongst Fortnite, Global Offensive, and Dota 2. They've paid out in tournaments $500 million. So if they've paid out $500 million, how many billions do you reckon they're getting in? It's wild. It's crazy. It's crazy. Right. So, and some of these gaming cryptos have done 1 or 2 billion invested in the total economy. It's a whole coin. Oh my God. Right. So, macro. I'm just splashing with the alpha. Keep going down. Okay, so let's talk about some coins. So first of all, let's talk about pen and pads. Okay, cool. So let me quickly tell you guys about Axie Infinity. So Axie Infinity is one of the most popular cryptocurrency blockchain games. Everyone is free to download, play, and actually earn in Axie. So if you want a free play to earn game, Axie Infinity is one of them. It was founded in 2018 by a guy called Trung Nguyen and Alexander Larson. Now, what I think is interesting about their business move is the co-founder Trung Nguyen. He didn't just start off Axie Infinity, but he started off a gaming company called Sky Marvis. Write this down: SKYMAVIS. And he started Sky Marvis first, and then he created Axie Infinity under Sky Marvis. So thus far, Sky Marvis haven't really done anything publicly. There might be new shit in the background, but I don't know. Besides Axie Infinity, but I think it's pretty dope that he basically grew 2 companies at the same time. That's what I'm doing now. Like, I'm trying to build NinjaTea and Blockchain Sensei at the same time. Do you know what I mean? So take that as a business move, which I thought is super dope. And what I like as well from the CEO, like, he kind of moves it. I relate to his moves because he's got a personal brand that's strong, and then he's got a business that's strong also, but they have 2 different characteristics. So I thought that was a nice little takeaway. And also Sky Marvis, right? And this is why when you invest in things, you want to look at the company, but you want to look at the parent company. So this is that was an investing lesson with regards to the structure of the company. Sorry, a business lesson, but here's the investing lesson, right? If you go to the Axie Infinity website, it doesn't tell you that Sky Marvis has an impressive. So remember, Sky Marvis is the parent company. So CEO Trung owns Sky Marvis, and he owns which is a blockchain gaming company, and Axie Infinity. Thus far, Sky Marvis don't seem to be doing anything but making Axie Infinity. On the Axie Infinity website, it doesn't tell you that Sky Marvis have partnerships with Ubisoft, Aave, the biggest cryptocurrency decentralized finance platform, Binance, Samsung, Kyber Network, and Upbit. So if you just research Axie Infinity, you wouldn't know that. Because I deep dived into the CEO, I looked at what other company he owned, and he owns the blockchain gaming company Sky Marvis. Okay, cool. So we won't go too much into the Axie.
Wait. Do the SLP bit.
SLP, smooth love.
Yeah, talk about SLP.
We love her.
I want to drop some game.
Okay, cool. So basically, inside the Axie Infinity game, there's 2 cryptocurrencies which everyone here is able to purchase on Binance. So they're very accessible. There's the Axie Infinity token and SLP, which is a Smooth Love Potion. So Smooth Love Potion is earned by playing the game and can be used to breed Axie. So these Axie characters are like a cross between like Tamagotchi and Pokemon, right?
Yeah. Okay, cool. So I want you to understand and listen very carefully to what I'm about to tell you. If you apply what I'm about to tell you, you could get very, very rich, very, very simply. So listen carefully. The market cap and the price. So SLP is a very, very key part of the Axie Infinity game. You need it, not financial advice. You need it to be able to breed your Axies. When you breed your Axies, you can sell them on the secondary marketplace and now make money. This is how people are making money. Now, pause. I want you to go and check what the value of SLP is, what the price is now, and what its all-time high has been. Yeah? So, the price right now is $0.01.
1 cent, basically.
Dollars.
Less than 2 cents, baby.
What's the all-time high price?
36.
Do the maths.
20x. Maybe.
Now, if Axie Infinity does an upgrade and releases a new version of the game, and all of a sudden everybody wants to breed their Axies, what are they going to need? And what's going to go up in value?
Smooth love.
Okay. Again it. Okay, so now the next bit.
Wait. Can I just drop some practical advice because Valentine's is around the corner? Anyone, right? Cancel your plans. Like, you don't need Valentine's Day. You need Smooth.
No. I'm about to even drop an even better one. What you should get someone for Valentine's. So, go to the price of Axie, please, because you need some Axie token to be able to play Axie Infinity. So Axie token is currently how much? $69, right?
69.
It's all looking pretty romantic and Valentine's-y right now. We're talking about the love potion. We're talking about the 69s. Yo, it's getting a bit mad.
Crazy.
So, right, that in pounds, do the maths. I'm not going to do that for you. But here's the clincher. To play the game, you actually need free Axies. You need to buy free Axies on the marketplace to be able to start playing. The game is super easy to play. It's super easy to buy your Axie. You need to buy free. Now, let's go and look at the market cap of Axie Infinity and the chart all time. When do you think would be a good time to buy some Axies for the first time? Would it be when Axie is at an all-time high, around
10 billion market
10
cap.
billion market cap, or around, you know, half that price? If you, because right now you can get Axies for around $30 each, which is about 20 odd pound an Axie. So all in all, to start playing this game, it'll cost you about $100. You can sell the Axies that you breed for $30 a breed. How much is the SLP? A penny. Hopefully this maths is clicking and making sense to people.
If it doesn't, book a session, man. Come on, man. Just pay us, man. God. We're not,
Please.
We're not, please.
What I've just given away there.
Please. Oh shit, we're not supposed to see that document. Okay, cool. It's all good. It's all
In a
good.
nutshell, buy your Axies now and play the game now and buy some SLP.
Okay,
and
cool.
breed them like crazy now. Breed them now.
No protection.
Whilst the market's low. Get that smooth love potion everywhere.
Wow.
Sorry.
That's the definition of RD.
Carry on.
Exactly. Always say sex, except with Axie Infinity. Breed them. Okay.
You'll be up.
This is the wildest episode ever. All right. Okay. So, my football fans. Okay. So, who here likes football?
Me.
Yeah, man. I'm not going to admit it at the minute, but yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah, me.
There is a platform called Sorare. Okay. So
Sorare.
So rare. That's how much. That's how much. That's how much I don't know about football, but I did do the research and I did write it down.
So what we got to understand with this is people spend hours playing fantasy football for free or even paying to play it and making no money from it. Sorare is literally just fantasy football where you get paid
in Ethereum. Okay, cool. So,
kidding me.
So basically, Sorare is a blockchain fantasy football, and the cards come in 4 levels.
Oh, wait. Sorry,
Yeah.
one.
Yeah.
By the way, in the paid PDF, it tells you the unique body parts that you need to make a strong Axie, and it tells you the best.
He's not
body
getting paid
parts.
to say this.
So you might want to get the PDF because in it, when you breed, the mistake I made when I made my first Axies is I didn't know which body parts I needed to have on my Axie to make them more valuable.
Now he knows.
So now I know.
He knows. He knows.
Okay, sorry.
Anyway, so Sorare, check it out. There's so basically you start off with 10 free cards. There's 4 levels: common, rare, super rare, and unique. And basically what you do is that you're a football manager and you buy and sell cards in ETH. As of January 2022, Sorare has had a total of 423,710 sales since launching in I believe late 2019, early 2020, totaling $77 million.
Mistake I made with Sorare is at the start of the game, it will ask you what football clubs do you like. I just selected just Manchester United because I'm a Man United fan, trying to be loyal. But guess what the game does? It gives you players out of the teams that you select. So guess what I wish I did? I wish I selected Real Madrid, Barcelona, Paris Saint-Germain, Bayern Munich, all the greatest clubs that exist. Select them as teams that you like, and then guess what? The cards that you're randomly given to start with, the players come from those teams, or most likely to come from those teams. Guess which players are more valuable to flip? Players from good teams.
Yeah, so
that's also some mad game.
Yeah. Okay,
I
cool.
can find this already.
So I know you guys don't really see me do too much TA because I'm not the TA guy, but I'm about to show you the wildest TA with regards to decentral and mana. So does anybody here not know what mana is? If you don't know what decentral and mana is,
it's okay.
Say and I will explain it.
So it's mad. My mom's got mana.
Yeah.
I've got my mama around here.
Mad. Okay, so there's actually a tweet string about my findings of mana. This is like the craziest inside information. Like, I can't believe I believe I'm the only person in the world that's tweeted this about the relationship of mana and the biggest investor in mana, and how basically the stock. Let me just find the actual tweet string. So much IP here. One sec. I was gassed when I tweeted this. I was like, oh, I'm on some shit. I'm on some shit. One sec. I tweeted so many times. Okay.
There you go.
Okay. Yes, this is wild. Okay, so there is a company called, like, I'm just giving you deep dive information here. All this information is on the PDF, which is why I should buy it. Link in blockchain Sensei Instagram bio. Anyway, so all this information is on the PDF, and more. So there is a company called Metaverse Group, and Metaverse Group, who have less than 2,000 followers on Twitter, purchased the $2.3 million of land in Decentraland Manor. Now, going deeper, now let's go back to the whole Sky Marvis Axie Infinity. Like, you should take away this from deep research. Whatever company you're researching, look if they are a subsidiary of a parent company. All right? Yeah. Right? Because the parent company is even more important than the subsidiary. So I was already in, so I'm like, okay, Metaverse Group purchased the biggest public sale of land in the Metaverse so far, only 2.3 million. Remember, Planet Calypso was down bought for 6 million 11 years ago. Okay, more like 10 million in today's money. So it ain't nothing but a thing. 2.3 million, it's not even wild. It's not even wild. So what I found was that Metaverse is a subsidiary of a company called Tokens.com. Now, what's interesting about Tokens.com is they literally describe themselves as a, like, this is based, if this isn't the definition of self-shilling the fucking stock, mind my language, how can you describe yourself as a publicly traded company investing in crypto, staking, P2E and Metaverse, real estate, and you literally put your damn symbol for people to invest in? Bro, have you ever seen a company do this? I have never in my life seen somebody shill their stock like this. It's mad to be moving like that, right? This is the parent company of Metaverse Group. Again, the company that I bought publicly the biggest land in Metaverse. Now, NinjaTea, myself, being a deep diver, I took a look at the Tokens.com publicly traded stock. And you know, because I look at a lot of charts, I'm like, that kind of looks like the mana chart. And you know, you think there's no way. There's no way. Let me just take off the Don Chan. I should really do more TA. Right. You know why I should. You know why I should do more TA? Because the way I do TA is like no one else does TA. I'm wilding. I'm not the best, but I find things like this. So let's compare it to coin. Not the Coinbase stock in Coinbase, but the token.
And the amount of people that were buying this on accident.
Bro, why is this stock in crypto basically moving the same? Am I wilding?
So see back.
Am I wilding? One sec. Like, I just thought there is no way, bro. If this isn't manipulation, I quit the game. Does anybody here? Am I tripping? Can somebody tell me that I'm crazy?
You're crazy, bro.
Someone tell me that Tokens.com stock and Decentraland Manor aren't run by the same damn whales. Because this is not an accident. The whole game's rigged. Okay? So yeah. If you want something that the whales invest in, you know, maybe look at Mana, because it's pretty whaley the way it's swimming.
And then if you do a deep dive into who's investing in Mana, and a deep dive who's investing into tokens.com, you might find the people that control the markets. If you find the people that control the markets and you just follow every move they make, you know that whole thing that, what is it? The quote by Jesus where he's like, yeah, I'm walking on the beach so that people can just walk in my footsteps. That's what you gotta do. But you see the footsteps for a little bit of money.
Okay. You know what? I'm not gonna share any information about the sandbox by the PDF. Okay. Let's have a look at Gala Games. So Gala Games is a blockchain gaming platform that uses a play-to-earn model. The token is available to purchase on most major exchanges. About the nodes, okay. 23,000. I wrote so much, there's like 50 pages here. So. Go on.
So basically about the Gala nodes, I'm not going to say that this is a better investment than real estate, but in comparison, it's pretty good. So the average house deposit is what, 20, 40K. This node, right, there's going to be 50,000 of them, 23,000 of them exist at this moment in time. It'll cost you $80,000 for one, and it requires you to be online for 6 hours per day, right? A house, how much energy do you use? You probably use more than 6 hours of energy in your house, right? But your house probably doesn't pay you $150 a day. Someone do the maths and type in chat 150 times 365. And your initial investment is $80,000. On. We're waiting for someone to put it in chat. Someone put it in chat.
What was 55K? All right. Okay, cool. So it's time to talk about my favorite game in crypto.
I'm not gonna lie to you, you can't.
No, I can tell them a thing or two. I can tell them a thing. Let me tell them a thing.
You can tell them one thing. So now you have to pick one thing.
All right. Okay. Cool. I'm going to give you guys one thing, right?
The rest is in the PDF.
The rest is in the PDF. Come on, guys. Only £10. So now, first of all, what I like about Engine Coin is the fact that Engine Company have been going since 2009. So they have more legacy than Gala Games, than Sandbox, and Decentraland Manor, than YGG. Some of these have only been about since 2018. Newcomers, okay? Now, first of all, just from like straight, no, wait, I can't say too much. So I'm going to go straight to the source. I was going to give the source, but we'll go straight to the alpha. So the alpha is the CEO and the CTO of Engine Coin are the original founders. And this is the punchline, right? So, okay, cool, they've been CEO, CTO for 13 years. No, it's not just that. The CTO, I'm sorry if I'm butchering his name, some Witek Radomski. I'm so sorry if I'm butchering his name. Yeah, I think that was good. I'm sorry if you're watching this. I love your work. I can't say your name, right? Genius. He is one of the original coders of the ERC155 code, AKA the NFT code. Engine, this is not the correct word, right? I don't know what there's tokenomics, and then if there was NFT omics or whatever, it's like non-fungible tokenomics, right? Yeah, the non-fungible tokenomics of Engine NFTs is insane because, as far as I'm aware, right? If anyone else does this, that would also be awesome. But wait. Engine NFTs, in order for NFTs to be minted on Engine, so sold within Engine games, Engine Coin has to be locked up in the NFT. Okay, Engine Coin has to be used to lock up the NFT. So just by the Engine Coin price alone, that is in the tokenomics of Engine, right? The 1 billion supply goes down in circulation, which increases the price. Okay, so just from an Engine Coin investment, that will increase the price. But what's interesting is you can lock up I'm sure there's some kind of minimum, but there's no maximum in what amount of Engine Coin you can lock up I'm sorry, I don't actually know if there's a maximum or not, but as far as but I know that people can lock up Engine Coin because people then who have the NFT have a liquid asset that they can destroy and have access to the coins. So let's say, for example, you lock up 1,000 Engine Coin, right? How much is Engine Coin right now? Is it $2? I'm not checking the current price. I don't want to lie because I don't know the price today. $2.11. Okay, I was pretty close. So imagine somebody locks up, let's just say 1,000 Engine Coin inside this NFT, right? This NFT can easily be sold for 3 to 4K because it literally has $2,000 worth of coins in it, right? And then if you have faith in Engine Coin, if you have faith that it's going to go to $4,000 as a buy, sorry, $4 for Engine Coin itself is going to go to $4 to $5. You will have more faith in that NFT because you'll be like, oh, I'm going to get this NFT, but it's got 1,000 coins in it. So even if the NFT doesn't resell, I'll just break the NFT because they've got a breaking system, and then you'll have access to the assets. If that's not impressive, you find me somebody in the NFT world that knows that. That's the alpha, because the reason we say alpha is because our guy Maestro is from Rotterdam and he likes to say that and he got us saying that. So yeah, if you don't know about Maestro, he's that NFT guy from Rotterdam. But yeah, with that deep inside information about Engine, NFT, tokenomics, non-fungible tokenomics, whatever the correct wording is, I mean, shit, Engine Coin.
Guys,
Engine
just
Coin.
actually deep what has just been said for free on this. This is why we did a little half an hour chatty thing before, because the shit we knew was going to give away in this episode is actually ridiculous. Like, genuinely ridiculous. The same guy that created NFTs in general has created an NFT. And an NFT platform, and a gaming NFT. And he's also partnered up with Polkadot for interoperable NFTs. And guess who else Engine are partnered up with? Microsoft. I wonder if we did an episode about Microsoft and them being involved in the metaverse and gaming.
Okay, I'm gonna wrap it up with one more thing, and then I'm gonna let Mr. Harding sit in the chair. Shout out to myself, my latest Instagram post, because it's real as fuck. So okay, so I just want to basically shout out everybody on the Blockchain Sensei team. So first of all, Mr. Harding is a bit of a private guy, so if you're lucky enough, he'll accept your follow. Wait,
I'm not gonna lie. I'm not even gonna lie to you.
He has to like you. He has to like you. He's not me.
No, I don't follow him.
He doesn't let. No. Mr. Harding doesn't let anybody follow him. Like I might not always follow back, but I let people follow me. He doesn't even let people follow him. So yeah, if you want the inside information, let me just tell you, right? This is a secret. Sometimes Mr. Harding posts stuff on his page that doesn't go on Blockchain Sensei. That's why you should request to follow him, and he might let you on the inside. Yeah, you know what I mean? Okay, cool. So next person to follow is Mr. Spectacular. This is Blockchain Sensei's head of training. He also does jiu-jitsu, unfortunately, on Monday, so it does clash with the Monday call, which is the reason why he's not here most of the time. However, he started his own show called Technically Speaking. First of all, Mr. Spectacular is now almost 100% responsible for the trading service, which is amazing because we ain't got time to trade. We just don't have time. Do you have time, Mr. Harding, to figure out the wedge breakout in a 15-minute time frame? Because I don't have time.
This 37-minute episode, if you actually take the time out to understand it, it can change your life. This will tell you and help you understand when the whales buy, when they test if they're going to pump it, when it's going to pump and you want to exit, when the whales are going to exit, and when the whales are buying again and when you should buy.
And you can also book sessions with Lucas, of course. He is head of trading at Blockchain Sensei. He is almost exclusively responsible for the Signal service. Anyone who subscribed to the Signal service.
We might as well take enrollments now. By the way, we actually have level 2 of the Signal service launching next month. We are currently next month is the beta test. If you would like to be on the Signal service level 2, which is only for paid Blockchain Sensei students. This is not available to the public.
Not
The
really.
only way you can get level 2, and you will ever be able to get level 2, is if you have been a paid student.
Yeah.
If you've been a paid student, you can get access to level 2. What is level 2? Is actually trading stocks and crypto. So obviously stocks, why? Because they're around, they're not seasonal. We can make money on it all year round. Now we've adjusted the algo and the bot to be able to find us trades in the stock market as well. So if you want to make money all year round, message us and just DM us at Blockchain Sensei. Say, look, just message level 2. Just say level 2.
DM level 2, and we'll talk to you from there.
Yeah, DM level 2, and we'll talk to you from there. Now, after level 2 comes level 3, which is going to be only if you've passed a test and done some lessons with Lucas, the master of trading, because level 3 is going to be shorting
with leverage. Oh my God.
So that's like next level.
Listen, right? No, I'm not disrespecting Diamond Hands on Hodler. Shout out to all you guys are lit, right? But imagine like the market's crashing and smart people like me, you sell up here to buy back. Yeah, I've been selling and buying. I've been swing trading for 6 to 8 months, certified swing trader. I know, and I know how to flip one BNB into 2, right? Within 6 to 8 dips. But imagine instead of selling here and buying back here, you're making money on the way down, then buying here and then selling leveraged up. That's a different game.
So that's going to be level 3. You only can access
game.
level 3 after you've proved that you can consistently execute the trades we put out on level 2.
Anyway,
not available to the public.
Not available to the public. Okay, cool. So next of all, please do follow Storm. So she's head of NFTs. Please do add some of her work to your portfolio. I'm certain that holding a Storm NFT will
with what we've got happening in the pipeline and what Storm's in charge of, like, it's inevitable.
You want to cop some of these NFTs for real. So then shout out Keish, who is, and notice how all these people look. You go on their page and it literally says head of NFTs for Blockchain Sensei, and you go to Lucas's page and it literally says trading wizard of Blockchain Sensei. So these, this is like the real gang right now. So shout out Keish, a DeFi educator of Blockchain Sensei. Check out his music as well. Check out Keish's crew called New Gods.
If you want to know about nodes and staking, this is your guy.
Yeah. Anyone literally like DM DeFi, and then we'll get you a session with Keish. And then we got Maestro, the Alpha. You gotta get the mates, man. It's the Alpha, bro. That's our guy. This is our guy. Multiple board ape holder. We're very, very privileged. Oh, the NFT Fridays replay done hella good. Look at this, 95 plays in 2 days. Jeez. You know what I mean? So make sure, like, this is the perfect video for literally go to our channel NFT for beginners. He literally shows you everything you need to know about buying and selling NFTs from start to finish. Like, why do we give this away for free? Oh well, it's available. Go watch it.
We might take it down.
We might take it down. Okay, we might take it down. Oh shit, that was so much free game. I forgot we gave that away, dude. Crazy.
That's why they call it the game.
That's why they call it the game. We should have stopped him, but anyway, Maestro, make sure you follow him 22.eth. Then we got Safian. So anyone who came from paid marketing, you came because of this genius. So this young 18-year-old protege, he helps us with our paid marketing. If any of you guys follow us on any social media or Mr. Harding or me, you will never ever see these ads. He specifically targets people he doesn't know. So shout out to everybody watching this that came because of Safian's ad. Safian.official, and obviously he does his own marketing. He's not like a full-time employee of us. He is like, anybody got a marketing project, holler Safian and he'll take care of you. So yeah,
this is our snippet guy.
Yeah, this is
this is the new thing. Snip it up, Sergi.
Snip it up, Sergi. Yeah.
Snip it up.
So this is our like LinkedIn. So anybody who's ever got a message from LinkedIn, Blockchain Sensei, you probably got it from Sergi. Yeah. The podcast is all because of Sergi. Blockchain Sensei, the game podcast is out now on Spotify and on Apple Music, etc. All because of Sergi. Shout out Sergi. Then we got our newest member called Decon. Okay, he's a producer. Check out his beats, and he will be our Telegram and Discord manager. So
a very big project as well.
yeah, for a very big project as well. But Blockchain Sensei Telegram and Discord, I know it's overdue, but it's really hard when you offer like 17 different services, and people are messaging you on WhatsApp asking you, you know, when is ETH going up? And I'm just like, bro, like when are you coming to the game? You know what I mean?
So we have some big collabs coming up.
Sit down, my friend. Sit down.
So we have some big collabs coming up, with some big artists and some big things happening in the NFT space. They're going to be pretty nasty. Wouldn't you agree?
They will be pretty nasty.
They will be. So you might want to, yeah, anyone that we've just mentioned, things are about to get hella nasty.
Crazy.
Anyway, that was a bit of a
Let's take Q&As.
Let's take Q&As. Fire away. So I'm not going to do it the usual way where I ask everybody. I'm just going to let anyone just fire away a question. And if you want me to get on the charts, I will get on the charts for you, my friends. Fire away. Anyone got a question? Raise that hand. Can they even raise hand? Yeah, you can raise hand. I refuse to believe there's no questions. There's always questions. Raise your toe. I'm trying.
Yo, Mikey, I'm just gonna jump on quickly and just say, yeah, thanks for the love, bro.
Always, bro. Always,
You know?
come on, bro.
Yeah, and mad game, especially the engine. I've actually been, engine's just been on my mind recently a lot. I mean, I feel like engine's kind of like the Bitcoin of gaming in a sense. It's the OG, like.
This thing is so, it's so misunderstood.
What was that particular type of the token you saw? Not ERC 20, but
ERC 115, I think it's called. It's the original code. For smart contracts.
I feel like that's
with Vitalik.
Yeah, I feel like that's unique. I feel like somewhere along the lines in a few years, everyone's gonna click and see how that probably works well with the ERC in some way, shape, or form. I definitely see that connecting somewhere, you know. So I think I thought that was mad game. I love that, man.
Love.
People
that really deep it will really deep
it. And as far as the SLP, yeah, that's another whole. They Sky Mavis as well. They just I think they've got something with something called Ron, and they just released their token, which is all kind of the Ronin. That's it, Ronin.
Yeah, that's the wallet that you need.
And they're doing the staking as well. So I'm thinking some crazy stuff's going on there.
What I'm gonna say,
all linked with Axie and SLP, you know.
I'm playing Axie right now, me and the missus, right? And we are just trying to it's not so much the SLP because that's quite a low price, so you can rack that up. But the actual quantity of Axies that you can produce at this current price is actually dumb.
Yeah.
Like it's a penny per SLP potion. So if you wanted to, you could put in like 200, 300 pounds and just breed bare Axies, bare of them. And then you've got them there for when the market is, and Axies are going for like 2-5 grand.
Yeah, it's actually it's really smart what they've done in the sense of how when the forking of the Axie comes in, where basically they've used the fundamental framework of what Bored Ape have done, where you can use the mutant serum and get a mutant ape. So you'll be basically able to get a mutant Axie. It's crazy. Like,
bro, this is why I'm breeding
so
as many as I can.
Yeah.
I'm telling everybody on this call, make them Axie babies, fam. Trust me.
Did any of you guys follow Mr. Harding on his personal Instagram? Like, okay, question: did anybody see Mr. Harding's personal Instagram story with Axies? Did anyone see that one? It was funny as fuck.
I'm gonna make it an actual post.
No one saw that. Oh damn.
I'm gonna make it an actual post
I did.
Eventually.
Yeah, Michael saw it. Michael.
Eventually, I'm gonna make it.
Bro, that was funny as fuck. Bro. Just like, they're breeding babies. You can request to follow him. I am Mr. Harding.
But love, guys, love. Next up, anyone got a question? Mr. Ben Kelly, if you're still alive and with us. Where's he at?
Yeah, man, I'm still here.
What are you saying, broski?
I'm still here.
Talk to me, bro. What cryptos you looking at? What stocks you looking at?
Well, cryptos, I bought some. We got set up on a Pancake Swap, and we got some Chain Guardian yesterday with me and Ninja. So yeah, I've been having another look at that today. So
have you got
that looks pretty
Sorare?
good? Pardon?
You got Sorare?
No,
one,
but
bro.
yeah, I like sound of that. Yeah, I've made a note. And I'm gonna look at that. Now.
That is you.
I love that. I think yeah.
All over, bro.
Yeah.
Mark my words. I'm gonna put it out here right now, and most of the things I say come true. Ben Kelly will make 100K from Sorare. I've said it.
Yeah,
it's
man.
Recorded. Watch this happen. If this guy takes Sorare seriously, it's a wrap.
Ben.
Yeah.
Lenders it.
Advance. I'll give you an advance on it.
But yeah, don't make the mistake I made. When you load up your team, select all the top Champions League teams.
Yeah,
then
that makes
you'll
sense.
get some better players.
Yeah, man.
So
and Leeds. All them and Leeds.
If you want, yeah.
Funnily enough, I actually grew up in Chapeltown.
Did you?
In England in 1996, yeah.
Class. I'm from Beeston, just near it.
Yeah, I know. I lived there till 2003, 2004.
Jeez.
Cool.
Back in day.
So I'm gonna. Thanks for that, broski. Thanks for the love. I'm gonna go to Raystar Ramos. How you doing, broski? Because you knew you get to ask a question. Fire away a question, bro.
Next time, come with a cam, please, because I swear you're the only other Asian guy that's pulled up in here. So.
I'm not really sure what to ask because, like what you said already, I'm still new to this. Like I've just been following the post, like seeing everything, and now that I have time, then time to read.
Okay. What would you say is a crypto or a stock that you're looking at the moment?
I'm not really sure where to look at. That's the thing. Like I'm trying to find information, but then obviously I want to try to find the correct information. Like, you know what I mean?
Okay. So how about this? What things are you interested in? What's your hobbies?
Bit hard. Maybe I like music.
Okay, you like music. And what do you do for a living, or what would you love to do for a living?
Well, to be honest, I like teaching because I do teaching whilst I'm in university already. So
okay, so here's how you absolutely max out and kill everybody in the investing game. If you specifically research music, cryptos, and music NFTs, and then with the aim to teach other people. Now, why that's even more unique is because obviously our co-founder here is in music NFTs already. And that's even more unique because our next PDF that we're dropping next week is about music NFTs. So, you know, we can, I'm gonna send you a free copy of the music NFT PDF before it even comes out to anyone. I'm gonna give it to you first.
Woo! Damn!
no need. I'll have to buy it. It's support for you guys, you know.
No. Here's what's gonna happen. You can buy it for someone else. Because then you're changing someone else's life as well as your own.
Right, let's follow. Okay, we're following you back. There we go.
Okay.
You know what? I don't even really do this much very often. But I'm in such a good, abundant mood. If you follow me now, I'll follow you back.
I am Mr. Harding. He doesn't let everyone follow him. He's got a private account.
Okay, I'll do that now.
And I don't do that all the time.
His Instagram, like he doesn't post much, but when he does, it's funny, man. Like he's some post. Basically, when Mr. Harding posts sometimes on his story, it's got nothing to do with crypto, and it'll just be like some funny shit. But yeah, he posts a lot of like inside information that you can only see on Mr. Harding's Instagram as well. Like it's not even going to be on Blockchain Sensei.
So yeah.
It's exclusive.
So yeah, thank you very much, Raystar, for coming in.
Hey, no problem. Thank you.
Let's go. Someone else that's new. Ben ST.
Yeah, this is my guy, you know.
Ben ST. What up, Ben ST? I don't think I've seen you here before.
Yes, my bro. What's going on? You good?
I'm blessed. I'm blessed. I'm blessed. How can we help you, Roski? What are you looking at? What are you researching? What do you want to know more about?
Yeah, obviously I'm doing a bit of crypto already. I'm doing forex and stocks as well, innit? Obviously I asked you one question about like, do all cryptos follow each other, innit? But I kind of already clocked like they do, innit?
Yeah, so they do until we have the decoupling and the flippening. So most things follow the movement of Bitcoin. So depending on what's quite funny there as well is Bitcoin follows the movement of the Dow Jones, which is quite interesting. If you want to kind of know what's happening, do your analysis on the Dow Jones, then do your analysis on Bitcoin, and then then look at the total free. So on the TradingView, there's something called total free. Now what total free is it's the altcoin market cap. So it's the market cap of crypto, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, because if you're trying to calculate where the altcoin market's going with Bitcoin and Ethereum involved, it's going to be a little bit skewed because obviously they're so big, they move the market. So from what I've calculated, the altcoin market's going to go to about 2.4 trillion from where we are right now. That's altcoins alone. So that's about 2 trillion of inflows that are going to come in. And what makes me even more confident of this, the fact that 250 billion got sucked out of Facebook the other day.
Okay.
So there is some mad sussy back activities going on from the whales right now. They are loading up and taking money out of everything.
Also, I did just have another quick question, yeah, because I'm trying to look. Basically, you know, to trade stocks, like you need a broker, innit? Do you suggest any UK brokers?
I currently use IG.com. I think that's the easiest and best platform for UK. But if you do some lessons with us, then you'll qualify for level 2 of our signal service.
No problem, bro.
Just drop us a message, get 1 or 2 lessons in real quick, and then you'll qualify for level 2 of the signal service. And anyone that qualifies that's done lessons with us, the level 2 for the first month, while we're beta testing it, is completely free.
All right, cool. Yeah, we'll sort something out. Yeah.
Definitely. Love.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next, let's go to Leo. Leo, I think you're new.
Yo.
What's good,
Hello.
Leo? What you saying, Key?
Nothing much. What are you saying?
What you looking at? What you researching, stocks and crypto wise?
I'm just mainly in crypto. As Fadlan knows, I know Fadlan from before.
Oh, Leo, welcome.
Yeah, welcome. I was telling him at the time about Rune. I love Rune, man. That's like my baby. I love Rune.
Hey, okay. That's on my watch list, you know. I've not really purchased it yet. I've been doing a lot of looking into it, but I'm not really dive. Tell us a little bit about Rune.
Yeah, sure.
Rune is like Uniswap, but like a DeFi version. Like you can, let's say you have Bitcoin and you want to swap it for Ethereum, it will give you the equivalent of it swapped, basically. So it's
That's
like
that one with that mad weird website, isn't it?
Yeah, no, it looks really nice now though. And their mainnet is releasing
Can
soon.
you share the screen?
Oh no, I'm thinking of a different one. I think we're thinking of different ones.
It's Thorchain Rune.
Yeah, we're thinking of different ones. I'm thinking of the game.
No, I knew what he was talking about.
Oh, I'm talking about a mad next coin.
Oh, I hear that.
Yeah. You've just made me accidentally shill a coin.
Accidentally in the
Can you see my screen?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this one here. Let's just go and look at the market cap of this one, because I'm not saying this is investment advice, but this little Rune thing, yeah, the one that I just showed, yeah, it's got a market cap. You'll see why it's on my watch list. In fact, I might have to copy it.
Yo, Mikey, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to interrupt you, just because I think you missed something key, and I want this Leo to get off what he was saying to you, because you missed a key thing, and it's funny that he's the first timer on this and he dropped something. he said something about Bitcoin to Ethereum. So I just want him to repeat that for everyone to hear, because I know about 4Room myself, and this is it's a big deal.
Yeah,
Awesome. One fire away.
it's basically Uniswap. Like if you have Bitcoin and you want Ethereum, instead of selling it and buying Ethereum, you can literally just swap the asset. It's like a currency exchange. Like you literally, if you have Bitcoin, you want Ethereum, just swap it into the network. It will give you back Ethereum. Like it's really good.
So this one, 4chain.
They did get exploited. Yeah, that's the one. They got exploited when they were going to do their mainnet in July, and then they had to delay that. But now they patched everything up. They got what's it called, audited by some security firms. They've really patterned their shit together, and their mainnet is like not too far. And I think there's big things for this coin. Grayscale actually did a report on this, and they value Rune at like $250.
Yes, my guy's talking about Grayscale.
Yo, Leo.
That means he does his research.
Leo, anyone that drops the Grayscale name, bro.
Grayscale is, you can't not know about Grayscale and crypto. It's really key.
You know, bro, this guy, that's what I'm saying. But he's never been to the game. He's always chatting to me about crypto on Snapchat. I'm like, pull up to the game, man. I need it, bro. We need it. Right, can I just say it, Leo? Can you be special guest next week?
Yeah, why not?
Yes.
Yo, Leo, follow me on Instagram, please.
Yeah, say no more. I will.
Go on.
I'm not even on Instagram, fam. I barely use this.
Oh wow. That's fair. But yeah, you gave me that one, the little 4chan. I'm gonna do a 4chain, do a little bit more diving. But yeah, you might want to check this one out as well.
It's a really good price now. I'm not trying to sell anything, not financial advice, but just have a look.
Entertainment purposes. Ha ha ha. You get me?
Nah, just have a look. Have a look.
I'm on it. Yeah. Also this one, guys.
No, that's not the coin.
I know it's not, but I'm sure.
Yeah.
I'm just letting people know. Because the market cap's
what's the market cap on that one?
1.7 mil.
That's a gem.
What about
Just because we were accidentally talking about Rune, so I was like, you know what? This is one of the ones on my secret watch list that I don't really tell people about, but I'm in such a generous mood today.
Oh, so is it only on thingy? Is it only on Pancake Swap?
It's currently on.
Oh, Ben Kelly, you know what to do. I taught you.
So yeah, bro, Leo, everyone just got 2 for the price of 1 there.
Yeah.
Also, look at the maximum supply.
Wow, that's actually that's a crazy coin.
Maybe you're gonna get one of those.
I've got another.
I'm just saying.
I'm just
saying, like this project is just tokenomically is just a little bit mad still. So it's one of them. But yeah, man, love. Right, guys. Thank you very much, everybody, for today's episode. Gonna love you and leave yous. Thank you ever so much. For actually everything.
Please share. Please, like, literally, we need the game to have 50+ attendees. Like, it's gonna get like that. Come on, guys. Everyone here can bring 1 or 2 people.
Nah, I like it at 20 max.
Yeah?
Yeah. I don't like it being more than that. Personally.
Okay.
Personally, it's just nice and like intimate, and then we can get round to everybody. Like if it's more, you can't really.
So you wouldn't be happy with 50 people in the room?
No.
Damn.
That's for the big weekender sessions, the big ones. We've got a mad one coming at the end of the month, or maybe the first week of thingy. Then yeah, but otherwise, no, I'm not really a fan of that. But yeah, man, that is it. Once again, if you thought the game today was crazy, go cop the PDF.
Please.
Thank you very much, guys. Love. If you're not going to cop the PDF for somebody else. Thank you very much, guys. Love. See you in a bit.
Wait. I need to copy all of this text. Because I said I would shout out everyone that dropped the social media before. So yeah, if everyone could like leave the room instead of us ending this call, just because I gotta keep this text.
No.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
Love. Cheers, guys. Yeah. I promised everyone that from now on, everyone that advertises themselves, I'm putting them in the description. Like, you deserve to be in the description for attending.
No, I hear that.
What's this? Eat, move.
Messy tea.
Yeah. All right, cool. Can I get back in the chair?
Yeah. Jay.
Yo.
Have you bought your Axies yet?
No, I haven't got around to it.
Bro.
You know, I haven't got around to it, but I know there's so much going on over at Axie. Literally, some of the things that I've heard about Axie is like Axie has changed cryptocurrency because
it has
just created its own ecosystem. It's like an alien coming to Earth and just evolving like in.
Bro, I don't think people understand what they've technically done.
They've just absolutely blown it open.
They can create their own supply amount. So it's actually fucked. Like, they've actually got their own global currency.
It's crazy.
Like, people were like, oh, Doge might become a global currency. It's actually Axie that's most likely to become a global currency combined with SRP.
Yeah.
Actually mad. Because they basically, all they've done is copied exactly what the American financial system did and just put it into a game. They can just print more when they feel like it.
And the burn mechanisms and stuff that they've got, they're working on a lot. I don't even know. They're just doing.
Bro, I've got my Axies. We're about to breed all of our Axies this weekend.
Yeah, man.
So I'm just gonna do, my aim is to have at least 10. I want to have 10 Axies, and I'm going to sell one Axie every year just to see what happens as an experiment.
Yeah.
So
it's a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot over there.
It's a lot.
It's a lot.